Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this Grand Caravan RT. Vehicle's in beautiful condition, inside and out, really in nice shape. Giving it a quick walk around, then we'll take a look at the condition panel by panel. Vehicle's in really nice shape. Okay, let's take a look at the front bumper. Front bumper's in good condition. Does have some small scratching and stuff there, that you can see in the video. A couple small scratching, a couple little blemishes here and there. Overall in good condition. Down here it's got some marks on it too. Headlamps look good. Good condition. This one does have fog lamps on the bottom. Very nice shape. This headlamp does have a couple little scratches here. Hood has a couple imperfections here on the paint. A couple light scratches there on the hood also. Nothing major. Looks good overall. Taking a look at the front fender, driver's side. Looks good. It's got those stripes on it for the RT. Looks pretty good. Driver door also in good condition. Does have a dent right there. Power slide for the driver's side looks good. Good condition overall. Quarter panel on the driver's side looks good. Clean throughout. The glass, the moldings, everything looks good. Walking on the back, rear bumper's in good condition. Does have some scratches here in the back. Has a dent right here on the bumper. Some imperfections here on the edge. Some dents here on the edge. Rear glass looks good. Good condition overall. Taking a look at the quarter panel on the passenger side. Good condition overall. Good shape. Taking a look at the power slide door. Has some wear and tear here on the moldings. Besides that, looks good. Passenger door in the front also in good condition. Does have also some wear and tear on this molding here. Besides that, looks good. Taking a look at the front fender on the passenger side. Good condition overall. Has a touch-up right there. Taking a look at the roof. Roof looks good. Overall good condition. Normal wear and tear for the mileage. It's got a $130 on it. Very nice condition. Let's take a look at the windshield. Windshield looks good. I don't see any cracks. No marks on it to stand out. Looks good. Very nice condition. We're taking a look at the passenger side door panel. Door panel's in good condition. Does have a little imperfection there on the edge there. Besides that, looks good. Armrest is in good condition. Controls look good. Very nice. Taking a look at the passenger seat in the front. Really in great shape. Rugs are clean, looks good. Dashboard's in beautiful condition. Take a look at the driver door panel. Door panel is clean and in great condition. Very nice. Really in great shape. Take a look at the controls. Very nice. Driver's seat with power. Leather all the way through, very nice. Center console there. Rugs are clean. Dashboard looks good. Steering wheel's in beautiful condition. Take a look at that. Very nice. Okay, let's take a look at the driver's side rear. Power slide. Seats in great condition. Clean throughout. Very nice shape. Floor mats are in good condition back here. Very nice. Let's take a look at the third row. Third row seat also in beautiful condition. Very nice shape. Let's go ahead and check out the power slide on the passenger side. Very nice. Let's take a look at the rear seats. Rear seats look good. Really nice condition. Rugs are clean. Looks really nice inside. Let's go take a look at the third row. Third row's in nice condition there. Really in great shape. Let's go ahead and close the power slide. Very nice. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan RT. Gonna go ahead and start it up. Starts up perfect, very nice. You can see there. Beautiful. It's got a tachometer, it's got a fuel gauge, temperature gauge, miles per hour. The mileage is 133,558 miles. Little information center there with your fuel economy and trip computer. Very nice. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the features on this. So we've got power windows, power locks all the way around, power sliding doors, power rear door, automatic lights, front and rear wipers, control for the information center here right off the steering wheel, cruise control, automatic transmission, climate control AC. It has 2 zones in the front and 1 for the rear. Up above here, that's the controls for the power slides. Programmable garage door opener. Taking a look at the radio, it's a navigation radio upgraded with satellite. It says hard drive disc, so I guess you can add a disc there for a hard drive where you can put your music in there. So let's go really quick here. So it's got Bluetooth. We don't have anything paired now, so that's why that came out. The radio controls. You got presets and everything. So it's got AM, FM, satellite, media. That's if you put your disc in there. You also have a CD and dash to load. Okay, we go back over here where it shows load. That's how you load the disc there. Very nice. Close that up. Go back to menu. So that's to set up your navigation, travel links, and then it has backup camera also. We'll show you that in a minute. Controls for the audio. There you go. And then my files, I guess that's if you have it on hard drive or something, and your pictures and all that good stuff there. It's got a USB plug right here for you can plug in your wire. Auxiliary plug there. Very nice. Let's put it back on the nav screen. Really nice. Okay, down below here we have econo mode, and then it has a 115 power inverter in the back. That's the button for traction. It's got some storage here, cup holders there in the center console. Really nicely equipped. Dashboard and everything looks brand new, really in nice shape. Take a look at that. Very nice condition. Really in great shape. Look at that. It's got a storage there and another one on the bottom. A lot of storage here. All right, so stay tuned. We're going to take it for a test drive in a moment. Sitting in the back of this 2016 Dodge Caravan RT. We're going to show you how the entertainment system works. So all you got to do is press this button here. The screen pops down, as you can see there. It's starting up right now. Now this system has Wi-Fi back here. It has wireless connection, so you could buy the headphones online or whatever, and it sends a signal through that. So it's like an infrared. It sends you a signal for the sound. We don't have those headphones, but you can add them. Okay, so as you can see there, it's showing disc 1, disc 2. There's no disc right now in the player. Let's go ahead and insert the disc. So here in the front, there's something that's called load. You press load there. You stick in your DVD. Let it close. Go back here. Now it's going to start loading in the front there. It's going to give you the warning and all that stuff. So right now at this time it's playing. If you did want to see it in the front and rear, you can do that. The front one you can only see if the vehicle's parked. So let's go ahead and go forward on this. You could hide the video there in the front, and if you get those wireless headphones, people in the back can listen to the movie or whatever. So there's the sound. The sound comes out of the system. So that's the movie playing right now through the radio. And then you can select here. And then you're selecting what's going to play. There you go. Your DVD's playing already. You're good to go. So if you didn't want to hear it in the vehicle, your passengers in the back, if they have the wireless headphones, they could hear it through the wireless headphones, and you could listen to the radio, a radio station in the front. There you go. That's how it works. Now when you're all done with that, all you got to do is close it up here. Take your DVD out, and your radio comes back on. That's it. That's how you use your DVD system on this 2016. Very nice. We're sitting inside this 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan RT. Gonna go and take it for a little test drive. We've got it in gear already. Okay, brakes feel good. Drives pretty good. Feels smooth. Going about 45. You can see everything's fully functional. Okay, well that's going to conclude our test drive. Stay tuned. We're going to take a look at the cargo area in the back and take a look at the rims and tires and take a look under the hood. Okay, we're taking a look at the cargo area in the back. Cargo area is clean and in great condition. Very nice. Really in great shape. Now back here has a power door. Let's go ahead and close it with the power door. Perfect. And it also opens with the power door. Very nice. Take a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great condition. Very nice. Really in great shape. Look at that. Beautiful condition. Take a look at the front tire. On the driver's side, tire looks brand new, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Okay, we're taking a look at the rear tire on the driver's side. Tire looks brand new, very nice condition. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Look at that. Very nice. Take a look at the rear tire. Rear tire on the passenger side. Tire's in really good condition. Good amount of tread on there. Very nice. Rim is clean and in beautiful shape. Tires are in really good condition. Look brand new. Okay, we're taking a look at the front tire. On the passenger side, tire looks good. Rim is clean and in beautiful condition. Very nice. Really nice shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video on this 2016 Dodge Caravan RT. If you have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website, novaautosales.net. Thank you very much.